First round Urunnath 0, second round Urunnath 13, total 13. Jayanta Bhattacharya first round 44, second round 37, total 81. Pranab Sarkar first round 65, second round 67, so it stands to 132. Next, Vice President Chitra Rai first round 46, second round 52, total stands to 98. Prabir Sheel first round 40, second round 31, stands to 71. Satyad Ali first round 14, second round 17, total 31. Shuprabhat Devnath first round 03, second round 11, stands to 14. Secretary Vishendu Bhattacharya first round 33, second round 33, stands to 66. Ramakant Uday first round 73, second round 80. In total, clubbing together, it stands to 153. Then comes to Assistant Secretary Abhishek Dey, first round 48, second round 54, stands to 102. Kamal Chaudhary, first round 68, second round also 68, stands to 136. Surajit Pal, first round 51, second round 46, so stands to 97. Treasurer Zakir Hossain, first round 16, second round 41, stands to 57. Mr. Probit Das, first round 21, second 22, second round 21. In total, it is 43. Pranab Ghosh, first round 22, and he again secured 22. So his total number of votes he got is 44. Ranjan Rai, first round 45, second round 28. So it stands to 73. Tarun Majumdar, first round, Tapun Majumdar, first round 3, second round 5, so it is 8. I stand to be corrected. For so far as the Assistant Secretary is concerned, Abhishek Dey, first round 48, second round 84, not 54, 84. So it is P of 132, 136. Abhishek Bhattacharya, executive member, first round 19, second round. Abhijit Bhattacharya, first round 19, second round 20, total 39. Cut off. Amarnath? Oh no. Abhishek Deborma, first round 56, second round 58, 114 in total. Omi Osina, first round 6, second round 11, so in total it is 17, 17. Anirban Dev, first round 33, second round 40, so it stands to 73. Then comes to Vishwajit Dev, first round 40, second round 41, so in total clubbing together it is 81. Then thereafter Jayanto Dev, 15, first round, second round 22, total 37. Kanti Bhattacharya, first round 20, second round 22, total 42. Monish Loth, first round 24, second round 29, total 53. Mihir Lal Sarkar, first round 73, second round 78, total 151. Next, Milton Dor, first round 16, second round 46, total 63.
47.
47, 16 plus 47, total 63. ठीक है सर? Ranjit Deborma, first round 54, second round 44, total 98. Santosh Gop, 44 and 41 respectively in the first round and second round, and in total it is 85. Subrata Ghosh, first round 33, second round 36, in total it comes to 69. Sunil Devnath, first round 41, second round 35, in total 76.